So here we have two open-ear headphones by Shokz called OPENFIT 2 and OPENFIT 2 Plus, recognized as England Athletics' official partner, bringing upgraded comfort, sound, and convenience of use. With Dolby Audio and wireless charging exclusively for OPENFIT 2 Plus with dual drivers for both units, it delivers immersive sound and all-day performance. Built with ultra-soft silicon 2.0 and flexible memory alloy ear hooks, it ensures a secure, comfortable fit. You can enjoy up to 11 hours of playtime single charge and up to 48 hours with the case. Also, quick charge of 10 minutes can play up to 2 hours. Impressive! No accidental taps due to its set of physical buttons, IP55 water resistance, noise-cancelling mics, and Bluetooth 5.4 with multi-point pairing. Priced at £179 for black-grey OPENFIT 2 Plus model and £169 for black-beige OPENFIT 2 basic model. These are designed for healthy running, gym, fitness, commuting, and everyday use. So I'm really excited to do the unboxing and trying out this up-to-date open-ear headphones, so let's get on with it. So this is the OPENFIT 2 Plus. Look at that. This, pretty much the same package as the Fit 2, but we got extra text here that is actually emphasizing that the Dolby Audio and the wireless charging function added to it. And you can actually see a bit of an orangey tip here, unlike the OPENFIT 2. On both sides on the back, again, we got extra logo here, and it's a different color. This is gray and beige. We got the tech card. Open ear comfort, ultimate sound. Whoa, it slides out both ways. That's really nice. Look at that. Unprecedented soft comfort. Look at that, that's really comfortable. This is the soft liquid silicone and the Shokz ultra soft silicone 2.0. It's almost like a clay. I'm just loving it. This one is stiff, okay? So this is the 17.3mm extra large Dolby Audio. Next to it, we got the case cover. That's really soft here. So we got the 3M to attach on both ends. Keyring hold. That's very clever, isn't it? Wow. They sent also the wireless charger as well. I was actually thinking of getting my own, but that's even better. So you can actually plug in the wireless charger on the USB-C. So let's start with the unboxing of OPENFIT 2. Very good. And if we were to open it up, and that's the very nice silicone feel to it. There's a card showing where to download the app, the serial number, all these user guide booklets, a good quality. Yes, these are much better quality than average of USB-C to USB-C. That's very good. Now let's get on with the unboxing of OPENFIT 2 Plus. Take this out. And voila. Look at that. Bit more high quality finish. And the silicone as well is really nice. Also USB-C on both ends as well. If you were to compare the quality of OPENFIT 2 and OPENFIT 2 Plus, they're exactly the same sort of feel. If I were to close my eyes and hold it together, yep, they're pretty much the same. So if we were to focus on the Fit 2 Plus, you can see the speaker here, very nicely made actually. The craftsmanship is excellent. Also down here and on here as well, with the orange rounding again, which is different. We got R, and the microphone here. Is there any other microphone? I think that's pretty much it. Oh, here's another one here. And also 2 dots, recognizing where to press, skyline. And we've got a nice sort of silver tip rounded thing in the end as well. Again, on the left hand side is pretty much the mirror image of what I described, so no point going through that, but I forgot to mention these two things for the charging purpose as well. So for the protection cover case, I'm not going to apply the glue yet, but that's how it's going to look like. It's pretty cool, isn't it? With the really nice silicone cushioning, and that's how it opens up. So I guess I have to apply for it, but if you look carefully, the way how it's protecting the edge as well here, that's really well done. Already blinking with colors, trying to pair it. But yeah, pretty cool. So with the fast wireless charger connected, let's see if it works. Yes, it does, even with the protective cover. So that's very good indeed. So now the app is installed. Let's open it up. Right, after the Bluetooth connection, the app actually recognized the device. It's asking me to remove the earbuds from the case, and then wearing the earbuds, and it's all good to go. So that's how the app looks like. This is how OpenFit 2 Plus app look like, and immediately you will notice there's the Dolby Audio options available, which has been switched on. Now to go through the apps, on the top left hand side corner, you can see there are 2 devices already connected to the app, which is convenient if you want to swap it around. On the right hand side top, if you click on it, there's the actual username and settings, faculty, user guide, and also about Shokz, reward survey, and legal as well. And if we go back to the main page, now again, we got the Dolby Audio options available to turn it on and off. Currently it's on. And on the EQ modes, we got standard, vocal, bass boost, treble boost, and customize as well. So if we click on the customize, you can actually adjust the bass, mid-range, and treble, and also name it as well if you want to, so that you remember what sort of setting it is. And if we go back, there's the multi-point pairing option as well. Currently it's off, but you can actually turn it on by clicking on OK. And lastly, you can actually customize the control as well. Now what this is as you can see, there's the button that is quite well positioned for design purpose. For the physical button, you can actually do a click to choose whether you can play or pause, okay? And on the double click, you can actually set it up for whether it is the next track, previous track, or none, and etc. That's very clever. And on the triple click, again, previous, next, none as well. And lastly, long press, you can set for decrease or increase volume, or voice assistant, and none, and etc. And on the touch sensor, which is actually on the surface of the earbuds itself, if you press long and hold, you can just leave it as none, or you can also set it up as a voice assistant as well. So what we're going to do is listen to a track through the homemade binaural device that I made, that I've been using for a while. And before we do this, look how well it's designed, the way how it's fitting through your ears and so on. I just love the way how it actually intrudes in, makes a lot of sense, and it's just well embracing the ear itself. So while we play the track, we're going to actually try and see how the Dolby Audio changes with and without, and also on the EQ modes, the standard, vocal, bass boost, and treble boost, and hopefully we're going to customize some of these as well. So let's get on with it. Right, so let's play a track called Electric Dance House by Peyruis. Okay, so here it goes.
The sun we bring it, the light we see it, the light we find it, the vibe we take it, the vibe we bring it, the vibe we leave it, the vibe we make it, the how we keep it, the how we feel it, the how we hold it, the how we the sound we hear it, the sound we feel it, the sound we bring it, the sound we share it, we see it, the light we need it, the light we find it, the light we dream it, the vibe we take it, the vibe we break it, the vibe we leave it, the vibe we make it, the how we keep it, the how we feel it, the how we hold it, the how we hear it, feel it, vibe we make it, the vibe we break it, the vibe we live it, the vibe we make it, that's how we give it, that's how we feel it, that's how we hold it, that's how we feel it, that's how we hear it, that's how we feel it, that's how we bring it, that's how we share it, the light we see it, the light we need it, the light we find it, the light we dream it, the vibe we take it, the vibe we break it, the vibe we leave it, the vibe we make it, that's how we give it, that's how we feel it, that's how we hold it, that's how we feel it, that's how we hear it, that's how we feel it, that's how we bring it, that's how we share it, the light we see it, the light we need it, the light we find, the light we dream it.
Alright, so what I'm going to do is try the Dolby Audio on and focus on the vocal to see how well my voice is presented on this video. So here it goes. We might actually switch it around, by the way. So this comes with a remote control, as you can see from a foreign language back inside explanation. It has an AI context learning. You can actually ask a question and the AI robot will be able to answer you back. It also tells you stories. It could also dance and etc. It has a beam on the back. As you can see from the screenshot, it's a small projector with 12 different chips, so it will be able to tell you stories and context behind it. So to actually try it on, it fits really well in your ears like this. So you just need to make sure this line on the top just goes right into the actual opening of the ear, if that makes any sense, by the way. Again here, just like that. Now, it's really comfortable. I mean, I can see why they're emphasizing about this Silicon 2.0 is the fact that when you wear it, sometimes you forget that you're actually wearing a open ear headphone. And the other thing about this, the biggest strength overall, is that after some of the earbuds that I reviewed, which I'm not going to mention on this video, is that after about 20 to 30 minutes later, I have to admit, you can get this sort of a pain of squeeze on your ear that immediately when you can take it out, this pain is actually gone. But this one, it's really nice. Again, it fits very well within my ear. Now, I'm actually listening to the same track that we tested early on, and what I can say confidently is that this is probably one of the best sounding open ear headphones that I actually listened to so far. I mean, especially with the, oh, that's amazing. The beat when it kicks in is just divine. I would say easily when you actually listen to one of the best earbuds, you know, the one that actually plug inside to your ear canal, and you turn on the actual, turn off the noise cancelling, that's exactly the same sort of quality. I never ever actually thought that any open ear headphones will reach into this level. But maybe adding to that the actual beat with the power of the Dolby Audio on is even better. That's how my conclusion will be. It's really good quality, especially the feel of that. You don't actually feel like wearing a earbud, open ear headphone, and then hearing this sound is just phenomenal. It's like, hello? There's someone playing the music on the background kind of feel. It's just amazing. Right, so this is the actual recording sound that I'm actually recording through the recording app here. So I actually tested out early on and it's really good. You can actually see the noise actually filtered out, focusing onto your voice. So pretty good sort of recording sound. And as you can see, the microphone is actually on the front of the whole of the earbuds and also on the side as well. So it's a good way of gathering the sound. So pretty impressive. All right, as you can see from my previous video, after the intense step running and whatever zigzag move that I wanted to do, just make sure I sweat and do a lot of crazy moves, shake my head, trying to make this open ear headphones to fall off, but it didn't. Several occasions, as you can see. Now I'm doing a bit of a muscle sort of rest, but I was really impressed the way how it's well settled. It's really comfortable. I've been wearing this for a very long time, about almost 2 hours now, and I don't feel like I want to take it off. But the music quality was really good, so it really motivated me when I actually played a really exciting beat related music. So I was doing all this crazy move and I felt really good about myself. So as you can see, I'm all sweaty and so on, so I gotta make sure this microphone doesn't get all soaked and so on. So it's really good. It's, in an athletic point of view, I wanted to prove to you that it's very practical indeed, especially with the IP55 waterproof rate. You're guaranteed with a really safe, secured exercise with a lot of sweat, just the way I'm actually producing here. In conclusion, the Shokz OPENFIT 2 Plus open-ear headphones deliver on all fronts. The comfort level is outstanding. Thanks to their ergonomic design and the use of Silicon 2.0, they feel almost weightless even during the extended use. The build quality is premium, built to last, and designed to move with you no matter your activity. Sound-wise, the Dolby Audio enhancement truly shines, offering rich, immersive audio without compromising awareness of your surroundings. It's a perfect balance. You get high-quality sound while staying connected to the world around you. In fact, during a recent call with friends, they couldn't tell if I was using the OPENFIT 2 Plus or speaking directly through my phone's mic. That speaks volumes about its crystal clear recording capabilities and mic's performance. As more people shift away from traditional earbuds that plug directly into the ear canal, the open ear movement is gaining serious momentum. And with Shokz being recognized as an official partner of England athletics, it's clear this isn't just a trend, it's a performance-driven evolution. If you're looking for one of the best open-ear headphones available today, the OPENFIT 2 Plus might just be the benchmark. Join the movement, your ears will thank you. So I hope you find this video useful for your ears, but if you have any queries, please comment below, and thank you very much for watching this video. This is LJP Tech. All the best. Bye-bye.